Well, we've got one more stock for you, folks, and this is good news. D.R. Horton posted their fiscal Q2 earnings, $3.52 a share. That beat Wall Street expectations of $3.17. So very good. They are the largest home builder in America. And even with interest rates moving like this, Pete, to the upside, their revenue for the period was $9.1 billion. They expect some rosy things going forward as well. So DHI is seeing some pretty good money flows today.
And they were talking about there's still, there remains a tight supply, John. That's one of the things that was brought up. Their margins are still holding up pretty nicely. The demand is still there to some degree. So there's a lot of different positives that come from this. And by the way, D.R. Horton and most of the builders, that was one of those hidden areas, I think, in the first quarter of the year that people were not paying attention to at all. But these names were absolutely hitting 52-week highs and looking pretty daggone strong. Even today, did it get back to the 52-week highs? No, but it got pretty daggone close. It got up to, I think, 154 today. The highs was 165. So not that far away from getting to those 52-week highs. This is a really, really interesting quarter. I think that probably surprised a lot of people how strong it was, because people's expectations are, well, I'm looking at the 30 and what's it cost to do the house? Is it 6%, 7%, whatever it might be? They are still doing extremely well. So that says a lot about what that demand really looks like right now, John. And I think it's pretty impressive for D.R. Horton and what they've been able to accomplish in a very difficult environment.
The biggest issue they have is headwind of those higher interest rates. For them to be able to put up these numbers like this, very impressive. There's just not enough, again, back to the supply and demand thing, there's not enough supply. So they're able to get the prices that they want, and they don't really have to dicker much, I guess. For the few homes that they're putting out there, they're able to reap a pretty nice reward from that.